Drivers ready?
Yep.
Watch light. 2, 3, 1. At 59. 3, 8, and 13. One more time. Drivers ready? Watch the light.
Nice run, bro. Let's go, Mass. What I ran? Left lane. No mercy today. Oh, she got him. Ooh.
One more, just like that.
Ooh, nice run. It's 1-1 right now.
Watch the light.
Let's go, tally that thing down. So this is how we doing it, right? The CT versus Math. We're tallying up all the races for the first one and the second one. So this is the first race. We'll see who has the most. Right now we look at we got a good start, $108, but we got the plug. Let's go! Woo! Yo, Dom, you on CT side?
Running with his team.
I feel you, bro. I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. It's 1-1?
My boat's right lane.
We got 5 left.
Drivers ready? Watch the light.
Uber. My man, let's go.
Ready? Watch the light.
I'm about to put him back on. He red lighted. He red lighted. Another tally. Another tally. Let's go. Yo, CT. Y'all don't got one tally on this paper yet, baby. Not one. All right. Y'all better get some tallies on these papers, baby. Yeah. You see it. You see it.
Makes you work.
Let's go, Russ. Drivers, are you ready? Watch your lights. Let's go, Russ. Let's go.
Where's that car, remember?
We going on about that, man.
Go talk to him right now. He's in race mode. He's in race mode, for real though. When the car comes back, let me talk. Now holla. Now talk to him. Yeah.
That's the car, remember?
Do it again, Russ.
Drivers ready? Watch the light.
Yeah. Oh.
Send that permit down through there.
Send that big body down through there.
Send that thing. Let's see what that Mopar power can do. Drivers ready? Watch the light.
There it is, baby, there it is! There it is!
Woo! Nice driving, man. Nice driving. He will dap you up, bro.
Other lane.
Now hit me.
Boom.
I'm glad you ain't on my side, boy. You got itchy finger. I gotta talk shit to you on Connecticut side. They made us get the DTS.
Me and Byron got a history. They always race each other.
Oh, y'all race it again?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's crazy.
Drivers ready? Watch the light.
Ooh.
Watch the light.
Ain't this dude racing for CT? Now is it for Mass? Matt, let's go, baby! Let's go!
Watch the light.
Yo! Hold on, don't send him yet. I just wanted to get it without your damn hand in the way. That's a good looking body right there.
Drivers ready? Yeah. Watch the light.
Benjito!
2, 3 at 50. Watch the light. Watch the light.
That's a rerun because nobody broke their beat. She did, baby.
You can't lose to the OG. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Drivers ready? Watch the light.
That was some good driving, Charlie.
Drivers ready? Watch the light. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Alright, let off, let off, let off.
Drivers ready. Watch the light. I need a sharp tire warmer. Oh wow. Watch the tray. Nice save, nice save. Go, Josh, do the same thing you've been doing.
Drivers ready. Watch the tray.
Oh, come on, Josh, what you doing? What you doing? Tighten up, bro. Huh? Oh, no. I think he's downstairs still fixing.
This guy did his whole wheel and out.
Oh.
Drivers ready. Watch the tray.
All right. Yeah. Let's go.
Nice and easy.
8-6. Mass is up. 8-6.
Ready.
Just to update. No, that's great.
Drivers ready. Watch the tray.
Let's go.
Watch the tray.
Oh!
Right lane, 2-4.
Nice race, fellas. Nice race. 1-1. 1-1.
2-7, that's 56. Watch the tray. Drivers ready. Watch the tray.
Oh, he blew a tire. So it's hooking. Woo!
And man. Left lane, 2-5.
Nice run, nice run.
Right lane.
And Matt, oh,
That was a nice run.
Drivers ready. Watch the tray.
driving, Maddie.
Woo! Watch the light.
Damn. Let's go, left lane. Let's go.
Watch the light.
That's a win. That's a win.
Definitely a win.
That's a win.
Watch the tray.
Let's go, William. No, he rolled through the finish and he broke something. All you had to do is
Watch the tray.
Yeah, let's go. Yep.
Ready. Tray.
Let's go. He red lighted, Carlos. He red lighted. He red lighted. He red lighted. Left on it. There you go. Oh, you way back. They. Yep.
Driver's ready. Watch the tray.
He crossed his beam, baby. Cross the beam. Do that again. Do it the same way too. It's still intense right now because we're so damn close. The first person to 13 basically won.
Driver's ready. Watch the light. Watch the tray.
Hey, you masked, right, bro? You masked?
Yeah.
You masked, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go!
Why do you think I'm standing over here?
We make it to number 13. We won, baby. We got one more win. One more win. And Mass took this one. No! No!
Yeah. Driver's ready. Watch the tray. Let's go, let's go.
Woo! Woo! Mass just took it. Mass just took the win. We got 13 wins. There's not even 3 races left, so we just took it. Yeah, but